is a 2020 Range Rover Velar protected with Starline Pro. So if a thief copied this key, drilled the hole in the boot to start the vehicle, got it running. As soon as they went to put it into gear, the vehicle's going to cut out. As you see, they put it into reverse, vehicle's cut out, they're unable to drive it away. What the customer's got to do, start the vehicle. They can either choose from a push sequence. So for now we just got 3 presses. Here a disarm tone, and we can drive away, select our gear, vehicle remains running. Or just simply have their phone in their pocket, get in, start the car up and drive away. They hear the disarm tone, the phone's done the code for you, and you can drive off. Customer can set their own code between 4 and 21 presses. Can also pair up to 5 phones and put their system into service mode, so it's a normal vehicle when it goes back to Range Rover. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a Starline Pro, we're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a 2020 Range Rover Velar. Thanks for watching.